Because when I first started working out, I would go into the gym and I would just play on the machines.
And that wasn't productive.
You can grow muscle there to make them look fuller, and that's what I did. You will not see progress if you're doing the same thing every week. So less cardio, more weights. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christian, and today we have how to grow your glutes and your lower body naturally. No surgery, no personal trainer, no dietary supplements, nothing, just you. So I've made a couple of fitness videos on my channel, and I got a request to make this video after my detailed fitness journey video, and a subscriber actually commented this. So if you're watching, thank you so much for the request. Let's get into the video. Little disclaimer, if you do these tips and they work for you, that is great. But if they don't work for you, I'm very, very sorry. This is what I did to grow my glutes. I don't know what might work for you guys. Everybody is different and everybody has a different metabolism, so what I did might not work for you. Okay, let's actually get into the video. So number one is to create a schedule. Creating a schedule is very important when it comes to fitness because your body won't really know what's going on. If you work out once a month, your body will not make progress. So what that was like for me with making a schedule for me was going into the gym, knowing exactly which body part that I'm going to work that day. On Monday, glutes. Tuesday, abs. Monday, glutes. Tuesday, abs. Wednesday, glute. Thursday, abs. Like, just come in knowing what you're gonna do, because when I first started working out, I would go into the gym and I would just play on the machines, and that wasn't productive. So if you're looking to get fast results on growing your lower body, come into the gym knowing what you're gonna do that day, and it's even better if you know the machines that you're gonna be using that day as well. Number two, progressive overload. Okay, so for progressive overload, you need to make sure that you are gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts. So what I mean by this is if you are lifting 20 pounds on week one, you need to increase that by the weeks. So you need to be lifting 25 week 2, 30 on week 3. Like, you have to somehow challenge your body, or else you will hit a plateau and you won't make any progress. Because that actually happened to me for a while. I was like, why am I not making progress? Like, I'm going to the gym and I'm doing this, I'm doing that, but if you're not challenging your body, your muscles will not grow. So number three, we have glute activation exercises. So I made the mistake of not doing glute activation exercises for a while, and that's probably why I wasn't making progress. So glute activation exercises are basically exercises which help to wake up your glute muscles so that you're not having hamstring and quad focused workouts when you are doing exercises that are geared towards the booty. So number four, resistance bands. Resistance bands were very, very crucial in my progress. I did not see a lot of progress until I started using resistance bands, and they really help with growing hip dips. So like, technically hip dips are your bones, but you can grow muscle there to make them look fuller, and that's what I did. They're pretty affordable. I got mine at TJ Maxx, so definitely invest in resistance bands and fabric resistance bands if you can. Number five is to increase your caloric intake, and this is something that I did not do. So you need to be eating. You need to be eating more calories than what you are burning off. So if you are burning 1,000 calories per day, you need to be eating 1,100. Like, you have to be eating in order to see muscles grow, okay? Number 6, less cardio and more weights. This was a huge mistake that I was making. If you're trying to gain muscle, cardio helps you to lose fat and muscle. So you need to be using weights, or you need to be doing more reps of each exercise that you're doing. This is pretty much a key, because just like with progressive overload, you will not see progress if you're doing the same thing every week. So less cardio, more weights. Number 7, don't compare yourself. Please stop comparing yourself to other people. I don't know if you guys know this, but BBLs are so popular now that it is almost so normal to see somebody with the BBL on the street and you would never know. So many people have surgery and do not talk about it. I'm not saying that every person has a BBL, but it's more than you think. So don't compare anybody else's body to your body. Everybody has different genetics. Love your body at each stage that you're in, because if you're not gonna get surgery, you might as well learn to be happy with what you have, okay? Number 8 is to work on exercises that increase the muscles within the hips. I would definitely recommend that you do standing hip abductions and anything that is a hip abductor. If you have a hip abductor machine at your gym, you need to be on it. You need to be hogging it. You need to be growing the muscles on the side booty so you can have the full booty, because yes, we need that. Please make sure that you are doing exercises to increase the muscle in your hips, because that will help to give you that round look that we all want. Number 9 is to do oblique exercises. Just because you're focusing on growing the lower body and the glutes doesn't mean that you should forget about the abs. Now, doing oblique exercises for me really helped get my waist really small, and this is a bad thing because pants don't really fit me in the waist, but it really looks nice. So don't forget about your ab workouts, because that can really help you in giving you a more hourglass shape. And finally, number 10 is to take progress pictures. Please take progress pictures. This was really helpful for me to see where I've come from, to see the up and down of the journey, of the highs and lows of the journey. So please make sure that you are taking progress pictures so that you can see your progress day by day. So that's all for this video. Thank you to the subscriber who requested this video once again. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.